of the wonderful things about Greenwood is I didn't know much about it. My brothers and I used to cut through as kids. But once my husband and I got involved, I found that the cemetery was formed in 1874, and it's 31.85 acres. There are over 50,000 burials here, predominantly African American. It was formed post-Civil War as one of the very few places African Americans could bury their loved ones. The last burial was in 1993. And from that point on, it was abandoned. So we're looking at 30, 40 years plus of sections that had not seen maintenance.
We would have people walk by after I started clearing the front, and they'd stop and say, I didn't know this was a cemetery. Yeah, it's a cemetery. It's a historic cemetery at that. It's the resting place of so many notable, St. Louis notables. Harriet Scott, wife of Dred Scott, Lucy Delaney, Charlton Tandy, and just a lot of everyday common people who really had a significant part in the history of the city of St. Louis.
There are over 5,000 individuals that were born during the time of enslavement that are buried here, both freedmen and of course those that were enslaved. When we talk about Juneteenth, we talk about the importance of what it means to our community and what it just means to all of African Americans throughout the country.
So we are honoring Juneteenth by having a service day at Greenwood Cemetery. And we're here today to help clean it up, to pay our respects to this important part of our collective history. We're fortunate to have the legal team, the asset protection team, food safety team, the claims team. We're all here working really hard and sweating a lot today.
This is surprising. It's hard work, but I think it's really been a good experience so far. For me, Juneteenth is more than just one day, but I think the connection is people coming together. I can only imagine, having a loved one out here or a generation before me, and I can't find them.
It's acts like these that I'm able to help people reconnect with their loved ones when they could not enter the cemetery at all. And so when we have groups like Schnucks come out and share their time with us, they're helping a family. And that matters. That means everything.
This is the first grocery store we've had, so we're really excited about that. And hopefully we can get them to stay involved with Greenwood Cemetery because we sure need the support.